Hey everyone, if AnyDesk is using too much CPU, making your computer slow, or causing high processor usage, don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you several simple fixes to reduce AnyDesk CPU usage and improve performance. First, close AnyDesk completely and restart your computer. Temporary glitches can sometimes cause unusually high CPU usage. Next, close apps you don't need. Yeah, too many background programs can increase overall CPU load and affect AnyDesk performance. Try reducing the display quality inside AnyDesk. I mean, lower resolution and image quality require less processing power. Disabling hardware acceleration may also help. So, graphics compatibility issues can sometimes increase CPU usage. A stable network connection is important too. Poor connections can force AnyDesk to work harder and consume more resources. Outdated graphics drivers can affect performance. Yeah, installing the latest drivers may improve efficiency. Make sure you're using the latest version of AnyDesk. Updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes. Run a malware scan on your computer. I mean, malicious software can increase CPU usage and interfere with normal applications. If the problem continues, uninstall and reinstall AnyDesk completely. So, a fresh installation can fix corrupted files that may be causing excessive CPU usage. If you're using an older device, additional RAM or hardware upgrades may improve performance. Yeah, limited resources can contribute to high CPU usage. If nothing works, contact AnyDesk support for additional assistance. They may be able to identify deeper software or compatibility issues. And that's it. Hopefully, one of these methods helped fix the AnyDesk high CPU usage problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.